This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to log into Shopify using an easy method. First, open your web browser and type in your unique Shopify store address, which typically ends in com/admin. This will take you directly to your store's login page. Next, locate the fields for your email and password. Enter the credentials you used when you first set up your Shopify account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to complete that step for extra security. Sometimes, remembering your exact store URL can be tricky. A simple way to find it is to look for the welcome email Shopify sent you when you created your account. This email often contains a direct link to your admin login page. Alternatively, you can usually guess it by adding Shopify com/admin after your store's name. Once you find it, I highly recommend bookmarking this page in your browser for super fast access every single time you need to log in. Keeping your Shopify account secure is paramount. Always use a strong, unique password that is at least 12 characters long, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Activating two-factor authentication adds a critical second layer of security, often requiring a code from your phone. This simple step can prevent unauthorized access. Remember, your login details are sensitive. Never share them with anyone, even if they claim to be from Shopify support. Encountering login issues can be frustrating, but there are easy solutions. If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the prompts to reset it. If you're facing persistent errors, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes old data interferes. If these steps don't work, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's dedicated support team. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.